Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on my Eyebrow Boxycharm. Eyebrow. It's like time is flying by. Like always, I'm going to try on each item that I receive in my box, and I'm gonna tell you my opinion on them, you know, my thoughts, my opinions, you know, if I like them, if I dislike them, whatever the case is. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right into my Eyebrow Boxycharm. So the first thing I see, and I always grab, is the card. The card is totally different this month. I actually like this, and it's like a little booklet. You open it, and the theme is inside. So this theme of this month is eye candy, and it shows this month's Boxy Babes. And then when you open it again, you see all the items, have little pictures of each item. They always used to bring little cards with this that had the 10% off, like the discounts, but now it's on the back. So it's Boxycharm, and then on the back you have those cards. Please excuse the background noise. It's freaking loud. So the first item I'm going to take is this right here. This is the Browgal by Tonya Crooks. The retail price is $22. It says it's tinted eyebrow gel with microfibers to achieve a natural hair look, perfect for the customer who wants a quick but natural fill to their brows. So I already did my brows. I'm still going to try this. And anyways, I will always do my brows because I do want to fill in their hair down here. If my eyebrows were the shape that I wanted, then I would just use this. But since it's not, I won't just use this. I will actually fill in my brows, but not as filled in since this is tinted. I honestly do like this. I feel like since the wand is small, it does grab my hair easily, and I can brush it the way that I want my brows to go. I do like that it doesn't make my eyebrows hard. It gives it like an even look. The thing that I dislike about this is that the handle is so long. This is $22, and you're mostly getting handle than product. Next from the box, I am grabbing the Colourpop Semi Precious Shadow Palette. I'm actually excited to receive this because I love Colourpop and we never received a palette from them. The retail price is $26. Okay, so the retail price they're saying is $26, but honestly, I never heard of Colourpop having a palette more than $20. And on the website of Colourpop, it says $18. But hey, whatever. I'm just excited that I get this in a box. This is how the palette looks. And this is the shadows. I like this palette. These shadows look promising, but to me, I love palettes that have all different type of shadows: mattes, shimmer, satin, glitter. It's a variety of different kinds of shadows. It's not a practical palette for me, only because it doesn't have any mattes. I would not use this on a daily basis, but to have in your palette collection, of course, you know, you can always dip into other palettes and have this on the side. Let me see how this swatches. Oh, it's so creamy. If you're looking at the names, this is the first shadow right here. This is Celestial, Beam Me Up, Easy Go, Up and Atom, West Star, Bashful, Upon a Star, The Game. Since in the palette I don't have any mattes, I am going to use the Dream Street palette from Kathleen Lights and Colourpop. To prime my eyes, I'm going to be using the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer. To set my lids, I'm going to use the RCMA No Color Powder, and I'm going to take this brush from BH Cosmetics, the eyeshadow brush. I'll be using this to set my lids. I'm gonna go into the Dream Street Kathleen times Colourpop palette. I'm gonna dip into Shooting Star. I'm gonna be taking the Sedona Lace EB13 brush and dipping into Shooting Star. Just gonna go in my crease, and I'm not being precise at all. Now I'm gonna go into the palette. I'll be using Celestial, Up and Atom as well. But I'm gonna go Up and Atom on my outer corner. And then with Celestial, the first shadow I have, I'm gonna do it right here. Ooh, yes, honey. Oh, Celestial will be a nice inner corner highlight as well. Oh my god, I love Celestial. This is so beautiful. Up and Atom, it's not so like bright as Celestial. You can tell the difference. So I'm gonna take Celestial and just pop a little bit on top to give it that nice shimmer, that nice shine. Now with this Royal and Lane Nickel brush, the oh my god, BX95, I'm going to dip into Beam Me Up, and I'll be using this for my inner corner highlight. I am not done with the palette yet, but I do want to finish my face before I do my lower lash line. Going back into the box. This is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner. Retail price $47. This award-winning pore refining mask is an extraction specialist, unclogging and tightening the look of pores and reducing excess oil from the skin's surface. Then in the back it says, after cleansing, apply a thin layer to areas of concern. Avoid eyes, leave on 5 to 10 minutes until dry. A cooling sensation will occur. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. Use 2 to 3 times per week for maximum results. Even though I did my eyes already, because I totally forgot about this, I'm going to use this just on my bottom. I'm gonna do this. Be right back. Okay, so this is how it looks. Hopefully you can see. I'm gonna bring it closer. I did put it a little bit up here, nothing too crazy. This kind of stinks, I'm not gonna lie, just a little bit. It comes out clear, but it has beads, one that's like white and the other one's blue. When I was applying it on my face, it did pop. Since it's drying, it's getting tighter. I actually like the feeling. I'm actually getting goosebumps right now because it feels so cool on the skin. Don't laugh, it's so hard. Oh my god. Ooh. I'm gonna go wash this off with some warm water and I'll be right back. I know it's kind of red right here, especially right here. Hopefully it will just go away, but afterwards I always do get a little bit red. I don't know, not like this, but we'll see how it goes. But my skin does feel smooth still. I still feel a cooling sensation. I don't know, my face looks a little bit too red. I'm getting a little nervous. Oh my goodness. It did get a little bit red right here. I wanted to relax. I'm gonna just let it relax a little bit and then I'll be right back. I am kind of skeptical about this because I did my face, finished my face off with bronzer and all that, but before you saw how it was red and it was still kind of red in this area. I wouldn't use this 2 or 3 times a week. No, not on my skin. My skin is sensitive. That redness scarred me, so I have to keep you updated on that. I'm going to finish the lower lash line, so let's get right into that. So for my lower lash line, I am going to do something crazy, right? Something to make it pop a little bit more. I am going to use Easy Go on my lower lash line. I'm gonna take this angle liner brow brush right here from BH Cosmetics and dip in to Easy Go and just apply on my lower lash line. Just gonna go in with it. I'm going to take this as well and put it on my waterline. Just want to dip it in, do something different. And now with this e.l.f. brush, I'm going to dip into that Easy Go also and just buff it out. I just really love how they apply. Like I said, this is not an everyday palette, but to use alongside another palette that has a lot of mattes, this would be great. I'm really liking this. Next in the box is this right here. This is a Tarte Tartiest Pro Glow liquid highlighter. Retail price is $29 and I got Exposed. I'm gonna use it right here. Do you see this highlight? Like, do you see that? On my skin, it does look natural. It doesn't look dry on my skin. It doesn't make this look patchy or like emphasize my texture. It honestly just blends in well. And like, it doesn't sit on top of it. The last item in the box is this. It's from Adesse, New York, the high definition liquid lipstick. Okay, this is cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free. It said it's a creamy, long-wearing liquid lipstick. It provides a dazzling full coverage of a lipstick with the ease of the one applicator. Oh, retail price. I totally forgot to say this. Retail price $24. I think I forgot to say that. I don't know. this liquid lipstick, I find it to be a little bit sticky, but do you see this? Even though it's sticky, I love the finish, and this would not last long on the lips, but I'm okay with that. I love the color. I don't know the name of it, but I love the color. I love the finish. I love how it feels on my lips. And yeah, I just dislike how it's like a little bit too sticky, but the stickiness reminds me of a lip gloss. The overall pricing of April's box is $148. I'm excited for all the items, except I really like Dr. Brandt's products. Every single time I receive a Dr. Brandt product, I have nothing negative to say. This one I just don't know, only for the fact that the way my skin turns so red. I'm used to my skin turning like a little bit red when I put it on, and then it goes away quick, but it wasn't going away, and I had to, you know, do my face to film this real quick, and it was still red when I was putting on my products on my face. So I don't know if it went down or not. Hopefully it did. I will let you guys know, and if it did go down, then fine, I'm okay with it. So yeah guys, if you receive Boxycharm, please let me know down below which items you receive, which ones you like, which ones you dislike. If you don't receive Boxycharm, I will leave the link down below in the description bar, so you know, look out for that if you want to sign up for it. I hope this video was helpful and enjoyable as well, and if it was, please give my video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of me. And yeah, with that being said, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye. What is there a bird right there? I want to see if there's a bird right there. It seems so close. My hands.